did you go? Please come back to me. Where did you go? Please come back to me. Where did you go? Come back to me. Oh, come back to me. Come back to me. Where did you go? Please come back to me. We can talk it through. Our feelings can be renewed. Not always what it seems to be. Together, you and I can find truth. You see.